Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here from SimmonsEssentials. I'm bringing you another original design. This is the purple people eater knot. Let's go ahead and get started. One tie at the left side at the bell line is all you need for this one. Let's go ahead and put in our dimple, bring it over to the center. We're going to come up and over like this, and then we're going to come back around like this, bring it over to the center like this, and then we're going to fold it down like that. Going to come up and over, down like this. Then I'm going to, we have this so far. With this, fold it in half, bring it through here, and it'll be folded in half. Let's do this again. Tie doesn't want to cooperate. Now we're much better. Now we have this here so far. So we're going to come up, maybe like that. Going to kind of want to leave this knot a little open, but not too open. Then we're going to have this tie, right, this part right here, still folded in half, going to come through this. Bring it around like that, and kind of come up through here like this. So then you just kind of want to open it up like that. So let's go ahead and put the collar down. And again, if you want to see the picture of this, check out SimmonsEssentials on Instagram. You'll see the tie knot picture for this knot right here. So again, on your own style, my friends, you're fearfully wonderfully made. See you in the next video.